There you go. Little kitty cat. And it's from Emily and Lori. Yay! Can you say thank you? Nana. Look at that, Nana. A dress for Nana. It's Nana's dress.
And next to the top.
Oh, wear this. She's ready to wear this. Beautiful. And this is from Mira. Nana, this is from Mira. And Mira made you a little painting. Thank you, baby.
Order it in reverse.
That's a sweatshirt.
Yeah.
Sweater nuts.
Look at that. Nice.
That's a thank you.
Nana, look. Of course she'll keep it. Thank you. You're gonna sing?
Oh, she's being so shy. So shy. Oh.
And this we're gonna have.
No card, sorry, I didn't get a card.
You. It's for me.
American Idol.
Woohoo! Oh yeah, she sings ABC.
Jack?
Thank you, Dragon. Can you say thank you, Dragon?
You're welcome.
Oh.
You're welcome, baby.
Okay, Miri, we're done.
Thank you, sweet. And this is from Ria and Livia.
Oh, wow.
Look at that.
Look at that.
You like that, huh, Monica? This is a little carriage. Yeah. Yeah. Hey, Nana.
Wait.
There's one more card, Nana.